To replace the forward-facing bumper on your Flow, first remove the access panel by twisting the knob and pulling the entire panel off. With the panel removed, you'll then want to open up your forward-facing lock-off. You can see the existing bumper there, which you can remove by wedging the plastic end of the troubleshooting tool in the groove beside it and simply popping it out. With the other bumper removed, you can take the new bumper and line it up into the hole. When it's lined up, simply twist as you push until the bumper snaps into place. You can close the lock-off to make sure the bumper stays in place, and you're ready to go.